Learn English through gardening. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's lesson, we will focus on gardening. Gardening is a popular outdoor activity that involves growing and nurturing plants, flowers, and vegetables. Whether you have a small balcony garden or a spacious backyard, gardening can be a rewarding and relaxing hobby. So, let's get started and learn some useful English vocabulary related to gardening. Before we dive into the world of gardening, let's familiarize ourselves with some basic gardening tools. These tools are essential for maintaining and tending to your garden. Here are a few important ones. Shovel, a long-handled tool used for digging and moving soil. Garden gloves, protective gloves to keep your hands clean and safe while working in the garden. Watering can, a container with a handle and a spout used for watering plants. Pruning shears, sharp cutting tools used for trimming branches and removing dead or overgrown parts of plants. Remember, using the right tools can make gardening much easier and more efficient. In this section, we will explore some common garden plants that you might want to grow in your garden. These plants are popular for their beauty, fragrance, or usefulness. Let's take a look at a few examples. Roses. Known for their beautiful flowers and pleasant fragrance, roses are a classic choice for any garden. Sunflowers. These tall and vibrant flowers are loved for their bright yellow petals and are known to attract birds and butterflies. Tomatoes. A popular vegetable that can be grown in your garden. Tomatoes are versatile and can be used in various dishes. Feel free to choose plants that match your preferences and the climate of your region. Don't forget to provide them with proper care and attention. Now that we have learned about some basic tools and plants, let's discuss gardening tasks and techniques. These are the activities you'll be involved in as a gardener. Here are a few important ones. Planting. The process of putting seeds or young plants into the soil to start their growth. Watering. Giving plants the right amount of water to help them grow and thrive. Weeding. Removing unwanted plants, also known as weeds, from your garden to prevent them from competing with your desired plants. Fertilizing. Adding nutrients to the soil to improve plant growth and health. Remember to follow proper gardening techniques and maintain a regular gardening schedule to ensure the success of your plants. Congratulations! You have completed our English language learning video on gardening. By learning the vocabulary related to gardening, you are now better equipped to enjoy and excel in this wonderful outdoor activity. Gardening not only allows you to connect with nature but also provides a sense of fulfillment as you witness your plants grow and flourish. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to practice using these new words in your everyday conversations or even when discussing gardening with fellow enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English language learning, and happy gardening!